Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I will take this conversation with the thesis student with the theme your my favorite things to bring. Good
Okay.
afternoon, Mister.
Good afternoon.
What is your name?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Iksan Nurdiansyah. I am
Yes.
from Gardenia class.
Oh, garden class.
And could you introduce yourself?
My name is Maulana Shazbilajan. I am from Majestic class.
Majestic class.
Yes.
Cool. Our topic today is about things, your favorite thing to bring.
Yes.
What is your favorite things to bring?
My favorite is notebook.
Notebook.
Yes.
Only the one and only notebook.
No, the second is my phone.
Okay. The first, why notebook?
Because I got it from my teacher
Mhm.
when I was high school,
Mhm.
and my phone because I am very like my phone.
Okay. The first notebook, I really want to know deeply about notebook. Means that's gift from your teacher.
Yes,
before.
this is gift from your teacher.
What is the benefit? Why you choose notebook?
Maybe my notebook is my function, eh?
Yes.
My function notebook is written suddenly.
Idea.
Oh yes, suddenly idea. Maybe I can drawing.
Oh.
Maybe I can write on speech, Mister.
Okay. You have you ever? No. I mean, um, are you always write your daily life in your book?
Yes, because writing is my hobbies.
Your hobby.
Yes.
Writing is your hobby. So means you can write a novel.
No,
No.
no. I cannot write novel, Mister.
Okay. Have you ever tried to write novel before? Never.
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 Never
Okay.
write novel.
Okay. I think because someone who like novel, who like read, who
Yes.
like write,
Right.
sometimes uh, they also like write novel and reading a book. Do you like read read a novel or read notebook? No, read a book.
No, 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 I cannot read the book.
You don't like read a book.
Yes, don't like read the book.
Okay, I get it. Okay, the next one. What is your favorite thing to bring another notebook?
Maybe my handphone.
Your phone. Why?
Yes, because I I I can I can just information from my teacher.
Okay.
I can write and maybe write and speed and another.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good. Yeah, that's true. That's true. So do I. Yeah, I like bring my phone 24/7, and I always bring it wherever and whenever because this very important. I think. Yeah, I can get important information.
Oh, it's important information.
Yes, that's that's true. That's true. Yeah.
And I got up I I got from my mother. I got from my mother. My phone I got from my mother.
You got from your mother.
Yes.
Okay. You didn't take your phone from your salary.
No, no. I got from my mother. My
Okay.
father.
Okay. So you just graduated from your senior high school or your.
Yes, this is I got I got me graduate high school.
Oh, you after you graduate, you got it.
Yes.
You got your phone.
Yes.
And then you also got your notebook from your teacher.
No. Oh yes.
Okay. maybe finish.
Yeah, maybe we finish the last. I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.